Okay, I'm going to attempt to drown myself. You can try this at home. You can be just like me.
Today I'm out at the local range with the Palmetto State Armory AR-15 pistol. It has the SB Tactical arm brace on it. It's topped off with the Vortex Strike Fire 2 red and green dot. I'm going to be running 55 grain American Eagle full metal jacket. It has a 10.5-inch barrel, and I just want to do some accuracy testing. I mean, yeah, I've shot bowling pins with it, and so I want to run this kind of at from 50 yards off a bench. Over my shoulder, I have a human-sized torso silhouette target. So we're gonna walk back to 50, bench it, and see if I can hit that guy in the head, hopefully around 30 times. Let's load it up and have some fun. Now I know I'm gonna get in the comments, 50 yards really isn't that much of an accuracy test. But I just want to see if I can hit the guy in the head, 30 times at 50 yards. Here we are. Man, that is absolutely brutal. Normally I wear earplugs and ear pro. This time I didn't, and man, they are ringing. So as far as the 50 yards go, this is a 4 MOA Vortex red dot. So at 50 yards, that red dot is 2 inches on that target, and at 100 yards, it's 4 inches. So I kind of wanted this to be a range gun, zombie gun. So I just wanted to see if I can dome a zombie, as many times as necessary at 50 yards. Now the ideal thing would be actually to put like a magnifier on this, or to put a little scope on here. I mean, that would be my ideal situation, but I really like the way this looks. So let's walk down there and see if I hit him in the head 30 times. That is definitely what I like to see. That's smaller than a tennis ball for sure. The AR-15 pistol by Palmetto State Armory is very, very accurate. That 10.5-inch barrel, just amazing. The trigger, I don't know if it's a mil-spec trigger or not, but it must be a mil-spec that's polished, because it's a really, really nice trigger. Don't have to change it. Now, if you were to put, say, a small 3-power scope on there, I mean, you could really reach out and touch something. So that's perfect. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.